I forgot to mention this, and this should have been the first thing I mentioned. Thank you all for all your love and support that I got for my April Alice in Wonderland theme post that I did this month in April. I was so amazed at how many of you watched my videos all the way through and also left me such beautiful, beautiful comments about how you really enjoyed my Alice in Wonderland theme post. And of course, on my channel, I can't afford to do this every single month or every single day. Alice in Wonderland is my big thing for the year. So that's why I really go out for it. And next year it will be just as beautiful, if not more, because we're going to look for some more great pieces to share with you. Thank you all so much for all your love and support and all your beautiful comments about my Alice in Wonderland April. Really, really appreciated all the love and support that you guys have given me. It means the world to me. And I really put a lot of time and effort into Alice in Wonderland every year. And it means the world that you guys took the time out of your day to watch those really long videos and gave me such beautiful comments. And some of them I almost felt like crying. I was so happy with joy. Thank you all for all of your love and support for this April. It has meant the world to me.